Hello everyone, it's me Liz. Today we have a 10-minute beach Pilates. For today's session, I want you guys to let go of any thoughts and relax your body. Let's start off with some head rolls to the left. Feel the stretch in your neck muscles. Now switch to the other side. One last rotation, and let's go into shoulder rolls to the back. Now forward, 3, 2, and 1. Now let's go into a high plank, downward dog, high plank again, and downward dog hold. Okay, let's do a plank variation. Bend your knees and go into a plank, then back to downward dog. You have 2 more of these. Keep your core tight. And last one. Now we have 4 slow cross crunches. And from here, tap your knees to the floor and switch, and switch, and switch. Combining both exercises, let's do a cross crunch and knee tap, alternating sides. Keep your core tight and engaged. And one more. Now put your right knee down and we are going to lift our left leg up. 3 more of these. And 2. And 1. Now let's do 2 pulses, then down. 2 more. And last one. Lift your right arm up and crunch with your opposite leg. We have 2 more of these, and 1 more. Now let's pulse up. Two more, and last one. Now let's go back to a high plank position and put the left knee down. Repeat everything on the other side. You have 2 more of these, and 1. Now let's pulse up. 3, 2, and 1. Reaching your left hand out, crunch in with the opposite leg. You have 3, 2, and 1. Now we are going to pulse. Two more of these, and 1. Now let's do some core exercises. Turn around and slowly roll down with control. We are going to do 4 slow crunches. 4, 3, hold the crunch before you come down, and last one. Now let's do some cross crunches. 3, 2, and 1. Let's go right into slow roll-ups. We have 8 of these. Six, 5, 4 more, 3, 2, and 1. Roll down halfway and hold. You can do some pulses to create some tension in your abs. Now roll all the way down. We are going to do some starfish and outs. Bring your knees in, then stretch out. In and out. Keep your core tight. 2 more. And last one. Now let's go into a straight leg bicycle. Last one, and bring your knees in. And let's do some swimming starfish. 2 more. Breathe, and last one. Catch your breath, relax. Now let's go onto your left knee. We are going to do some leg raises. Two more, and last one. Now let's do 2 pulses up. Use your glutes to help you pulse up. And last one. Reaching your arms out. Let's crunch in. 3, 2, last one. Same thing as before, but now we are reaching our legs back and arms forward. Feel the stretch in your entire body. And last one. Alright, bring your leg forward, then back. Front and back. Keep it slow and steady. You can do it. And 2 more. Last one. Now let's switch and repeat everything on the other side. Let's start off with our hands on our hips and raise your left leg up. Now let's pulse. 2 more. And last one. With our arms now, let's crunch in and out. In and out. 2 more. Last one. Now let's reach our hands forward and leg back. Elongate and feel the stretch in your entire body. And last one. Now bring your legs front, then back. Front and back. 2 more. Last one. And relax your entire body. Alright, let's finish this Pilates session with a stretch. Go into your high plank, then lower yourself into a cobra. Take a big inhale in, then exhale. Now shift your weight back into a child's pose. Let's repeat that one more time. Inhale and exhale. Let's stretch our legs. Go into a one-leg pigeon and lean forward as far as you can. Now switch. Breathe in and breathe out. Now let's get back onto our knees. Take one last breath and we are done. Good job, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me on this beach Pilates session. I hope you guys enjoyed the workout and the beautiful view. I'll see you very soon.